Hi, Arizona lawyer Julie LaBenz here, and today I want to talk to you about why. Why is a great way to prepare for a family law hearing. And let me explain to you what I mean by that. If you can answer these three questions, you're going to put yourself in a much more prepared, much stronger position going into a family law courtroom. The first what is for what type of hearing are you facing? What is the issue in front of the court? Why are you in front of the court on that day? What is the whole purpose? Knowing that ahead of time is going to help you know what to expect and how to prepare. Number two, what are you asking the court to do? Once you figure out what the type of hearing is, what are you asking the court to do at the hearing? What is your ideal requested outcome for that hearing? And then number three, why should the court grant you the requests that you're making? So what is the type of hearing? What are you asking for? And why should the court give you what you're asking for? If you can have those three questions answered, you're going to be in a much stronger position going to the courtroom and hopefully have some confidence when you walk in there as well. I'm Arizona lawyer Julie LaBenz. Thank you so much for watching this video.